Hi, I'm Benjamin. I'm an application engineer at NAS Solar Electric, and today we'll be looking at the Fortress stackable eForce battery along with the NV inverter. First off, we have the eForce stackable ESS battery system. It is a lithium iron phosphate battery with an 80,000 or 20-year cycle life. It's scalable from 9.6 kilowatt hours all the way up to 268.8 kilowatt hours. So, to clarify, we can have one module, 9.6 kilowatt hours, all the way up to 17 modules, or 268.8 kilowatt hours. The modules can be stacked in increments of 1. So here we have a 2-stack, so at 19.2 kilowatt hours, we could add one more module and get 28.8 kilowatt hours per stack. Here on the top of the modules, we have the E-Way. It is designed for these particular batteries. They lock in, giving us the IP65 rating. Inside the E-Way, we have an integrated bus bar, allowing us to connect to our inverter and other battery module stacks. The wire way also allows us to pass through any AC or DC connections going to the inverter. This E-Way from Fortress is designed to work with the NV inverter with a large cutoff, allowing for easy access of running cables to and from the battery stack to the inverter. Each module weighs in at 210 pounds and size-wise is 30 inches by 9 inches by 22 inches. When we have a stack comprising of one module, the max charge and discharge is 195 amps. When we have a 2 or 3 module stack, the charge and discharge current is rated for 250 amps. We recommend pairing an NV inverter with these eForce stackable batteries due to the unique design of the E-Way with the cutout making for a wide opening for wiring and servicing the inverter. For applications where the NV inverter is not resting on the E-Way, they provide an insert for both the E-Way and the inverter to give IP65 rating. The E-Way is required for every stack of eForce batteries. This is due to the quick connect watertight connector that each module has to make it a stackable quick install. The E-Way also has an integrated bus bar allowing us to parallel multiple stacks of batteries along with connections to the inverter. The batteries come with this cardboard template showing us where to pre-drill and install anchors to attach the batteries and the inverter to the wall. You'll find inside a little kickstand that holds the door out of the way during installation. Here we have a Guardian installed, which collects battery data along with inverter data, allowing us to remotely monitor our system through their cloud. The NV inverter comes in 3 sizes. Currently we have the 12K, which is the middle size. It's rated for 12,000 watts power output with a grid pass-through of 200 amps AC. It has 3 MPPT inputs for a total of 18 kilowatts of solar potential. This inverter has a rapid shutdown transmitter from AP Smart installed. What that means is the transmitter inside the inverter tells the solar panels to turn on and produce power. This is critical for emergency situations where we might have fire department on the roof. We don't want that voltage and that power from the solar panels potentially hurting our first responders. Here on this side, we have this Wi-Fi dongle, which gives us remote monitoring and also a connection to the app on our smartphone for adjusting settings, or we could just use the touch panel on the front to adjust settings. For installations where an external rapid shutdown initiator switch is used, it can be wired to these terminals, shutting down the inverter and everything tied to it. As you can see, the Fortress NV and Fortress eForce batteries provides you everything you need for a whole home ESS solution. If you have any questions or you want to know more about the stackable battery or the inverter from Fortress, give us a call and we'll be able to answer your questions.